Happy morning, children. Now we will learn new concept, exclusive method, also called as continuous classes. Here 6, 10, 10.5, 11, 15.5, 19, 20, 12, 13 are the given observations. By taking classes, now we are taking classes 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, prepare group frequency distribution table. Now 6 to 10, 6, then 10. Two tally marks are there. After that, there is 10.5. So, till 10 only we are taking 11, 15.5, 19, 20, 12, 13. So, you are having tally mark to frequency 2. 11 to 15. So, 11 to 15 means 6 will not come, 10 will not come, 10.5 also will not come. 11 is there. So, 11 will come. 11. Then 15.5 will not come because we are having only 15. So, 11, 1 is there. Then next 19 will not come, 20 will not come, then 12 will come and 13 will come. So there are 3 tally marks. So here 3 is the frequency. 16 to 20. Now 16 to 20 means here 19, 1, then here 22. So only 2 tally marks, frequency is 2. In the above table, we could not include observations 10.3 and 15.7. See, we have missed out on that. Why did we miss out? 10.3. Now here they have written 10.3 and 15.7. Actually here it should be 10.5. 10.5 they have given. So there is a printing mistake. 10.5 and 15.5. These two scores we didn't include. That was the reason I was telling you. 6, 10. Only 2. I said it like this. 11 to 15. 11. Then 12. Then 13. These 3 scores. 16 to 20. What did I say? 16 to 20. 19. 20. Only 2 scores. Out of this we included, this we included, this we included, this. But we didn't speak about 10.5 and 15.5. We didn't include this score. So, because the numbers 10.3 and 15.7 cannot be included in any of the classes 6 to 10. See, if it is 6 to 10, so it will be 10, only 10, 10.0. It cannot be 10.1, 10.2 and so on. So, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20. Hence, in order to include them, very important point, we have to change the structure of the classes. Therefore, if we take the class intervals as 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, the problems will be solved. So what is happening if we are taking the classes 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, the problems will be solved, they are telling. The scores 10.3, as I said, there is a printing mistake, 10.5 and 15.5 can be included in the classes 10 to 15 and 15 to 20 respectively. But still a question arises, in which interval the score 10 should be included? See, here I am taking 5 to 10. So if the score 10 comes, should I include 10 in this class or in this class? See here, I'll just show it to you. This table is being prepared, so you will get an idea. Here 5 to 10, we have changing the classes now. Why the structure is being changed? Because we are not able to include 10.2, 10.3, 10.4. After 10, see here, after 10 I am writing 11. So where will I include 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10.8, 10.9? After 10.9 it is 11, right? So we are changing the structure of the classes like this. We are taking it as 5 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 11, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. So now the question arises, here also 10 is there, here also 10 is there. So what to do? So if like this is the answer to this is, what we are doing here, see here, but still a question arises. In which interval the score 10 should be included? In 5 to 10 or 10 to 20? To overcome the difficulty, we follow a convention. We will include the score 10 in the class 10 to 15 instead of 5 to 10. See here? Instead of 5 to 10, we will include this 10. 10 is the upper class limit of this class. Upper class limit 10 will not be included in this class. It will be included in the next class, 10 to 15. Means here 10 to 15, this 10 will be included as a lower class limit. Upper class limit, it will not be included. Okay. So here, to overcome the difficulty, we follow a convention. We will include the score 10 in the class 10 to 15 instead of 5 to 10. This is the upper class limit of a class should be excluded. Excluded means what? Not included. Upper limit 10, 15, 20, 25. These all upper class limit will not be included in these classes. Means if 15 comes, then 15 will be included here as a lower class limit. Upper class limits are not going to be included. So they are called as exclusive. Means exclusive means upper class limit is not included. Excluded. Out of the class. I'm not going to include 10 here. I will not include 15. I will not include 20. I will not include 25. So this method is called as exclusive method, and the classes when we are writing, when the upper limit of the first class is equal to lower limit of the second class, upper limit of the second class is equal to lower limit of the third class, upper limit of the third class is equal to lower limit of the fourth class. These classes are called as continuous classes, and they are very, very important for 10th standard portion also. You are going to have continuous classes. I hope you have understood the meaning of continuous classes, exclusive method, which we are going to apply when we are solving exercise.